loud sound. It's like a noise coming from the top of the roof. It's like something big has fallen upon the house. And now the things in that family are affected because of that particular sound. That sound, it is spreading now.
The sound is spreading.
Is destroying.
But it was just a sound.
Ever since that day, bit by bit, the things in that family now take a few steps back.
It wasn't. That is sound.
As if that happened once or twice,
it was just one sound.
Now the progress in that family was affected. Now they have taken some few steps back.
That sound. It's a dangerous sound. Come let me pray for you.
Your sound that you heard was not that scary. Not that scary. The one I'm talking about is this one. It happened the day before yesterday.
This trauma.
It will do you no harm. You are bigger than that. Just listen to how wicked our devil is. Just make that sound. Ever since the door, that sound is spreading. It's spreading. It also is coming to the children.
Just a sound.
More beds.